Good morning, everybody. All right. Again, walking to work, I came across this understanding of in the pursuit of self care, you're often looking for, or you end up looking for, the thing that's kind of missing from the puzzle that connects the things together, the kind of thread of fate, if you want to call it, that strings all these things to have a relationship with each other as opposed to being differentiated and apart. In this way, we kind of bring about a bigger whole and we're able to tell a larger story. Now, that being said, it would seem after pursuing this for about maybe 8 years or so that you start making connections with things that don't seem at all related or are very hard to see the relation in. And to honor this in a way and to make it clear to the people that are following the self care kind of path, um, this is what I'm going to call lost synergy, meaning something that is connected but not apparent to the majority, or something and has been lost to time, or something that has not yet uh, been discovered in the connection to another thing. This ultimately bringing more unity to a specific way of looking at things or just in general. So this is what correlates to the term lost synergy.